Matthias Quirin, welcome.
Thanks.
So, you've won this award. Tell us about this award. What is it for?
It's the Future of Meeting Award.
Okay.
And everybody was able to vote for one of the 6 startups, exhibitions at the Future of Meeting Pavilion.
Okay, and the criteria by which people voted, what sort of were they looking for in terms of the technologies?
Could be anything from audience engagement to networking.
Yeah, actually is an award for being most innovative startup.
Okay, so innovative startup. Okay,
Yeah.
and you're here with MDI. In fact, you're sharing the stand. You've sponsored their stand, so you're part of that whole. So how does that help you in terms of being associated with Meeting Design and the Meeting Design Institute? Is that something your innovation is around?
I think it's great because you have a lot of people that they are working in the same field.
Yeah.
We have the same sort of customers, but we all do something different, so we can learn from each other.
Yeah.
And I think it's interesting that you can connect with those people because that's not what you do daily in the office.
Yeah, exactly, and I think there's a very small, actually, but growing market of innovative meeting designers who collect at shows like this and IMEX and so on, where we can collaborate and connect and share stand space and so on.
I think it's also smart because when we speak to people and we say, hey, what are you looking for? They always say, we're looking for new, innovative tech, for example.
Yeah.
So that's why they come to the pavilion. To meet all of those people at once.
Yeah. So tell me about the differentiator in your innovative approach. What will customers get that's different from whatever else is out there? Tough question.
Well, not so tough for us.
Well, I think it's really simple. What we do is the product is built together with event organizers.
Yeah.
Instead of we sitting in a room saying, hey, this is a great idea, we never had a great idea. The great idea come to us because we listen to the problems and challenges of event organizers.
Yeah.
And we try to solve it.
Okay.
And we never stop doing that. We always, even today we had a discussion and there's always new things and challenges they would like to solve.
Yeah.
And we try to see how we can solve that with the thing we have currently built.
Yeah. So this is about a deeper connection with what people are looking for in terms of event design, innovation, and a step change in the process. We've done what's been done, and now we're into a new world.
Exactly.
Yeah. What one thing would you advise this meeting buyers or event designers to do? What's the next step in terms of really engaging? Because it's still it's small scale that we're talking about here, where people really engage with what is possible from meeting design.
Sure. Our tool is, of course, very focused on networking.
Yeah.
And for us, it's very important to know in advance who you can meet at the show, and also to build up a community after the exhibition with all the attendees. And Matthijs, you did a conference of an interview earlier about this, about virtual conferences or engaging audience after exhibitions like this by hosting sessions through video conferencing and getting the experts together, getting peers together who are struggling about challenges or having challenges about different topics.
Yeah.
And this is how you keep the audience engaged and also warm them up for next year.
Exactly. So it's about continuation as well. So I think the really important context and difference here is that there are no isolated events anymore where people get together physically. This is about what happens in the ramp up and what can be enhanced about the very valuable time we spend together and what happens post-event. And almost at the post-event then integrates into the ramp up for the next event as one seamless community, as you described it, but also a community where people can share ideas continuously using some of the tools and innovations. Oh. Great. Thank you very much indeed. Good luck and well done. Delighted to meet you. And whose mantelpiece is it going to, or is it going to be in the office?
Together. It's a third award already in 3 years.
Thank you.
Thank you.